originally heard about the Public Prosecution Service Internship through the Indigenous Blacks and Mi'kmaq initiative. I had a friend who did the internship the year prior to me, and I heard really great things about the internship. I also have a really strong interest in criminal law, and so I knew that I would be able to work alongside lawyers and be in the courtroom and gain some practical experience. Every day at PPS was different. My very first day, I didn't even make it through the office. I made it to the second office in the building, and one of the lawyers, Tanya Carter, just swept me up and took me to court with her for arraignment court, which was really interesting. Just got to observe court proceedings, and then as the summer went on, I was able to address court matters. I assisted in a drunk driving trial where I asked questions to a police officer who was testifying in court. I also was able to prep witnesses who were giving testimonies in court. I sat in on conversations and times where the Crown and the police officer would be with victims of domestic abuse or things of that nature, just being in the room with them and being able to talk to the person who was dealing with a lot of emotions prior to going into court. Going into my PPS internship, my personal goals were to learn as much as I could learn and gain a practical experience. And I feel like I definitely did that by even just observing court proceedings. You learn so much. I was able to network with lawyers, Crown attorneys, but also defense lawyers, many of whom extended themselves to me and offered me support and advice and opportunities in the future, which was great. But I really think that overall I accomplished what I really set out to do, which was to learn as much as I could and to figure out if there was a place for me within the criminal justice system, being an advocate for clients, and I definitely think that I did that. One of the most moving days that I had at PPS was a day after I'd heard about the murder of a boy that I had gone to school with, and he was also a member of my community. And this particular day, I was sitting in the Crown's table like a normal day, and this was the afternoon, and the docket that I had consisted of a lot of people from my community and a lot of people that I had known growing up. And so this was a very heavy day for me, just seeing a lot of people that I knew and a lot of people that I loved being affected by crime and also being involved in the criminal justice system. This day in particular was moving for me because this was a point where I was able to realize that my presence is really valuable, especially in the criminal justice system, and I know that there's a place for me working within this system. So I think that this day in particular really just solidified the fact for me, and it was pivotal in my law school career for me to know that this is a journey that I want to take and be a part of the criminal justice system in some way. And so then I would be able to give back to my community, become an advocate for people from my community, and bring legal information and stuff back to really help the people that are affected by the system.